Alright, y'all, so I got the 3.5 liter V6 high output motor inside my charger, and I'm getting a P0660 code, so it's car starting, it's misfiring on bank 1, and it's saying that the manifold tuner valve is bad, which is this right here. So I'm about to take that off right now. I took out 4 screws, disconnected it, and disconnected the ground from the battery in the trunk. So we're gonna see what this does. It recommends to clean it or replace it, or it might be a bad connection wire, or this might be this whole unit itself, which is a manifold. So we're gonna try this first. So we got the runner out of there, which is this long thing. It goes up into there. So it's either bad or it's either sticking. So I'm gonna clean it, see what it does. This is burnt, really burnt. The seal is bad. I just ordered it from O'Reilly's. It was I think $2.90 or something like that. Very, very priceful. It doesn't seem to have a part number on it, but I will link the part number in the description when I post it to YouTube. And let's clean it and see what it does. So we're just gonna clean it with some carb cleaner. Try not to spray inside of there. I should probably, let me put something in there. Put a piece of tissue in there so that it doesn't, carb cleaner doesn't get into there or nothing. Just trying to get the stuff in there a little bit, like so. Spray from the side. I really don't recommend spraying in there or nothing. Just kind of take a towel or something and wipe in there. So take a towel, old dirty one if you have. Just kind of wipe. So we have an O-ring right there. That's a good thing to have. Didn't know that was off there. So that could be the problem. Is that probably came off? Let me shine the light up in there.